Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to turn off comments on Facebook. So this process is the same if we're doing it from mobile or desktop, and I'm gonna go ahead with an example to show you guys how to do it. So I'm gonna publish something on the From Doubt to How Facebook page. I'm gonna write something like this is a test to turn off comments. Then I'm gonna click next, publish now. So it just published it. Then I'm gonna click on the three dots right here, and then I'm gonna click on who can comment on this post, and instead of public I'm gonna move it to profiles and pages you mentioned. In this way nobody will be able to comment except for people you have previously tagged on. So let me know guys if you found this quick tutorial helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks.